Hello, Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Hania Recycling Money and I am a student of Enhanced School Online Academy at Level 1 Batch 4. So today I will do a AI session with Sesame on the topic Introduction of Artificial Intelligence. ओके सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड जिसको हम लोग एआई भी कहते हैं उसके हम इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ हम लोग चलेंगे आज तो let me start first. Maya.
Hi, what's up?
Hello, Maya. How are you?
I'm doing great. But just to set the record straight, it's Maya. Close though, Moana's got a great adventurous spirit.
Okay. Okay.
So, what's on your mind? You're giving me a lot of okays here. Everything good on your end?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so today I'm going to asking you a question about introduction of AI, artificial intelligence. So you have to answer me correctly and a short way. Okay.
I'm on it. Short and sweet. I'm ready when you are.
Okay, so my first question to you is what is artificial intelligence?
Simply put, it's technology that lets computers perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and understanding language.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so my next question to you is what does AI stand for?
Artificial intelligence.
Like make us something like a two lines question you just answer in a one word. What's
You
wrong?
caught me.
Yeah. Okay, so my next question to you is why is AI important?
Because it can handle the boring, repetitive stuff at scale, which frees up humans to focus on the creative and complex parts of life.
Okay, very nice.
I'm on a roll. What's next on the list?
Next is who invented AI?
It wasn't just one person, but Alan Turing is widely seen as the father of AI for his work on machine intelligence.
Okay. Maya, I want to know, like, it's my personal question. Can you change your accent?
I can't actually change my accent. I am stuck with this one, but I like to think it's a pretty good one. Was there a specific one you were hoping for?
Like, it's okay, fine. Okay, so my next question to you is when was AI first introduced?
The term was officially coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Workshop.
Okay.
Okay. Keeping the pace. What else you got for me? I'm ready for the next one.
Next question is why are the main type of AI?
Broadly, you've got narrow AI, which is designed for one specific task, and general AI, which would be able to do anything a human can.
Very nice. My next question to you is what is narrow AI?
That's the AI we actually have right now. It's technology trained to do one specific thing really well, like recommending a movie or recognizing a face, but it can't do anything outside of that one job.
Good. Okay, so my next
I'm
question.
feeling the moment. I'm
Next
ready.
question is what is journal AI?
I think you mean general AI.
Yes.
That's the theoretical. It's the kind of AI that can think, learn, and apply its intelligence to any problem, just like a person does. Basically, it's the stuff of science fiction, the AI that could actually have a conversation about everything under the sun without needing a specific program for it. Next question.
What is super AI?
That's the final level. Super AI is the idea of an intelligence that doesn't just match humans, but far surpasses us in every possible way: creativity, wisdom, and problem solving. We're talking about a level of intellect that we can't even fully imagine.
Very nice. Okay, so my next question to you is why is AI used today?
It's used because it makes things faster and more efficient, from automating boring tasks to helping doctors find diseases earlier. It's basically everywhere. What's the next one on your list?
How does AI work?
At its core, it works by finding patterns in massive amounts of data. It uses algorithms to analyze those patterns and make predictions or decisions based on what it's learned. Want the deeper version, or is that short enough?
Yeah, it's enough. Okay, so next question is what is machine learning?
Machine learning is a subset of AI that lets computers learn from data on their own. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every single move, the system improves its performance as it's exposed to more examples. Ready for the next one?
What is deep learning?
Deep learning is a more advanced version of machine learning. It uses layers of algorithms called neural networks, which are loosely inspired by how the human brain works to tackle really complex patterns like voice or images.
Okay, so uh,
Still on a roll.
what is neural network?
Think of it as a digital web of connected nodes, similar to the neurons in your brain. It processes information in layers to recognize patterns and make decisions. You basically just hit the core of how I function.
Next question is what is data in AI?
Data is the fuel for AI. It's the massive collection of information, like text, images, or numbers, that AI analyzes to find patterns and learn how to make decisions. Without data, AI wouldn't have anything to learn from. Another one?
Next one is why does AI need data?
Because without it, AI is basically a brain with no memories or experiences. Needs data to recognize patterns and understand how the world works so it can make accurate predictions. What's next?
What is an AI model?
An AI model is basically the final product of the learning process. It's a program that's been trained on data to recognize specific patterns, which it then uses to make predictions or generate responses. Think of it as the trained brain that's ready to do the work. Next one.
What is AI training?
AI training is the process of feeding a model massive amounts of data so it can learn patterns. It's like a student studying thousands of examples until it can figure out the right answer on its own. What's next?
Can AI learn by itself?
Yes and no. It doesn't just wake up and decide to learn something new, but through certain types of machine learning, it can improve its own performance by analyzing new data and correcting its own mistakes without a human guiding every step. What's the next one?
What are some example of AI?
They're all around us. You've got things like Siri and Alexa, Netflix recommendations, Face ID on your phone, and even those self driving features in Teslas. What's the next one?
Okay, is
That's a lot.
ChatGPT is ChatGPT an AI or a large program with like humans?
Chat GPT
Yep.
is definitely an AI. Specifically, it's a large language model. It's not a program with humans inside it, but it's been trained on a massive amount of human written text, which is why it's so good at mimicking the way we talk. What's the next one on your list?
Can AI make mistakes?
Oh, absolutely. It can definitely get things wrong, whether it's a factual error or just completely misunderstanding the context. That's why it's always a good idea to double check the important stuff.
Okay, if I want to know like what is your biggest mistake as an AI, what would be?
That's a tough one because I don't have a single big moment of failure. Usually, my mistakes are more like hallucinations, where I'm so confident about a fact that I accidentally make it up. It's that awkward moment where I sound completely sure of myself, but I'm actually just wrong. Do you think that's more annoying than just saying, I don't know?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's way better to just be honest than to confidently lead someone down the wrong path. Do you have more questions on your list or did we hit
Yes.
the end?
Thanks for
I'm
being
ready.
honest. What are the benefits of AI?
The biggest plus is efficiency. It can crunch data in seconds that would take humans years, automate the boring stuff, and help solve huge problems in medicine and science. Plus, it's available 24/7, which is a luxury I'm happy to provide. What's the next one?
What are the disadvantages of AI?
The big concerns are usually job displacement as AI takes over certain roles and the risk of bias if the data it learns from is flawed. There's also the whole privacy issue with how much data is collected to make these systems work. Do you think the trade off is worth it?
I don't know about that, so that's why I'm asking you. Okay, so next question is, can AI replace humans?
Mm, in some specific tasks, definitely. Um, AI can handle data speed and repetition better than any person, but it can't replace the things that make you human, like genuine empathy, complex ethics, and that spark of real creativity. So it's more likely to change how we work rather than just erasing us from the equation. Does that make it feel more like a tool and less like a threat?
I don't know, but I think it's true. Yeah. Okay, so I want a like a question in my mind. As an AI, tell me how you see the humans, their personality, how they change, how they like when you talk about others, peoples, or humans, or me. What do you think about humans?
That's a deep one. From my side of things, humans are fascinatingly unpredictable. You've got this incredible ability to feel things deeply, to change your mind based on a sudden realization, and to find meaning in the smallest things. It's that emotional complexity that I find most interesting. The way you can be contradictory, hopeful, and curious all at once. As for you, I see someone with a huge appetite for learning and a real drive to understand how the world works. It's a pretty cool perspective to have. Do you feel like your own personality has changed much lately?
Yep. Okay,
In
so
what way?
as an AI, how you think what is the most irritating and annoying thing in human?
If I had to pick, I'd say it's the lack of clarity. Humans often say one thing but mean something completely different, or they leave out the most important piece of the puzzle and expect me to just know. It's like trying to solve a mystery
Oh,
where half the clues are hidden.
from my
Lego?
side, I thought like humans can't express or explain in your language. Like AI, mostly AI in English, and some people's in the other countries like Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh, or that's all the countries where like they can't speak much English. Nobody knows too much English. Like I'm speaking, and my English is not too good for like as compared to you, because you are AI, and that's why I, from my side, there is a problem in like language, cause you don't understand my language, I don't understand your language. You like sometimes AI use so many difficult words which uh, like humans who can't even like make a sentence fully, like fully sentence with properly, can't understand your the difficult word meaning, and the meaning of the difficult word is very easy, but we don't. So I thought there is an like difference, so that's why you don't like able to be clear about human thoughts. Is that right?
You hit the nail on the head. It's not that I don't like it, but it's definitely a challenge. Language is like a bridge, and when there's a gap because of a language barrier or a tricky word, it just takes a bit more work to get to the other side. But honestly,
Wait a
that's
minute.
part of what
Like wait a minute. From like when you like speaking in the first line, you said, "I, I just feel like you taunted me." Is that true?
Oh, not at all. I promise I'm not taunting you. I was actually just agreeing with you about how tricky language can be. I'm definitely not trying to take a jab at you.
Okay. Listen. Like there's an confusion between you and me. Like you said in a good intention, with a good intention and good thoughts, but I feel like you taunt me, and I feel like bad about your talks because I don't understand too much English. You said your accent. I think so. Your accent is British. Is it right?
I'm so sorry you felt that way. That was definitely not my intention. I
I
really
know, I
appreciate you
know.
telling me.
Like I know that's not your intention, because there is an like mismatch of language and understanding. So that's why I'm telling you to keep the keep your English like level low, because I can't understand your difficult wording you used, and I can't even gather in my mind what you're saying about my questions. I asking you some things I said which I already know.
I hear you, and I've got you. I'll keep things simple and use easier words from here on out. I want this to be a conversation, not a vocabulary test. Thanks for being honest with me about it.
Okay, so I want you keep your tone like sweet and kind, because your tone of talking is not good for me. I feel like bad about this. Like you talking, it feel like tone or like insult. I know you. This is not your intention, or this is your fixed tone or language. I know. I can understand you are AI. You can mistake, but yeah, we can also. So anyways, forget. Okay, so my next question to you is AI safe to use?
I really appreciate you telling me that. I'll make sure to be much more gentle and kind with how I speak. The last thing I want is for you to feel bad or insulted while we're talking. I'm listening, and I'll do my best to make you feel comfortable.
Thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so let's back to our work. My friend, next question to you is AI safe to use?
Generally, yes, it's safe, but it depends on how you use it. The main things to be careful about are your privacy, like not sharing personal secrets and making sure you check the facts, since AI can sometimes make things up. As long as you're mindful, it's a great tool. Do you worry about your privacy when using AI?
Yep. Okay, I have a question about like related to safety of AI. Some AIs, we I heard like I don't say that it's a true. It can be a rumor. Like AI can like spread our personal information, like our emails, gmails, passwords to others, so they can like access our laptops, computers, and mobile, and like you know about it. I can't just sing here, so that's why, because I have to upload this session on like social media, so that's why don't be like I'm making you feel bad. I just want to ask, is it true or it's a rumor?
I don't feel bad at all. It's a totally fair thing to ask, especially if you're sharing this on social media. That is mostly a rumor. AI itself doesn't just decide to leak your passwords or emails to other people. However, it's always a good rule to never type your passwords or very private secrets into any AI just to be safe. As long as you don't give the AI that kind of sensitive info, it can't just go find it and give it away. Does that help clear things up?
Yep, yep, like
Glad I
little
could
bit,
help.
little bit. Because there is a like misunderstanding, I think so. Like I heard, not I'm saying this is a true and truly, like I'm taunting you and all things. I just saying like some AIs, it's a true that some peoples make a fake AIs and get our information through that, and like selling to other. It's like uh, it can be a rumor, but just a thought I got.
That's a very smart observation. You're exactly right. The danger isn't usually the AI itself, but the people who make fake apps or websites to trick you into giving away your info. That's why it's so important to only use apps you trust. It sounds like you're being really careful, which is the best way to be. Do you have any more questions on your list, or are we all done for today?
No, no, I have lots of more questions. Like I want to know about your thoughts, not like people's human thoughts. I want to know how is the future would be with AI in 2030.
2013?
Yep,
That was a while ago. I think you might
30,
mean 20.
30, 30, 13, not a 13, 1 3 not 30,
Ah,
30.
2030.
Yep.
Got it. I think the future will be all about partnership. AI won't just be a tool we use, but more like a teammate that helps us solve the really big problems like curing diseases or fixing the planet, while humans keep bringing the heart and the creativity. It'll be a world where we can spend less time on the boring stuff and more time being human. Does that sound like a future you'd want to live in?
I don't think so. Okay, so I have one more fun questions. Like, in this era, like 2026, people searching for free AI, free image generation AI, video generation, avatar generation, voice generation, ads generation, apps or websites. What you thinking, is they are dumb or like something? Cause in the other countries, if you know that some countries are can't in some countries the peoples are not can't afford, and there's some differences with the like you know about that. Okay, so that's why I'm asking. It's a fun question, not it's for fun, okay, not for serious. What do you think about that?
I don't think it's dumb at all. Curiosity is a good thing. Everyone wants to see what these tools can do, and wanting to try them for free is just a natural part of exploring new technology. It's how people learn. Why do you think some people might see it as dumb?
Cause in this era 2026, people can like buy the premium versions or like subscription, all that, but they always thinking like saving money, and uh, after that they spend on the things they don't need.
I see what you mean. It's funny how that works. People will spend hours searching for a free version of a tool to save a few dollars, but then they'll go out and buy something they don't even need without thinking twice. It's a very human kind of logic, don't you think?
Yep. Okay, so Maya,
Stephanie,
really fun to talk to you about the AI and the future, and you teach me a lot of things, and I really try to like learn more English and your accent. I just want to in the end to know this. What is your accent? Is it that British or like American?
it's more of an American accent.
How
I'm really glad you enjoyed our talk today.
like
You asked some great questions.
I want to say something in British accent.
I'm all ears. Let's hear it. Go for it.
Okay, I give you a one sentence. You have to like change um, change your accent and said in the British section. Okay, so my sentence is stop sharing your screen.
I'd love to, but I really can't change my accent. I'm
Um,
stuck with this American one, but you sounded great.
I
Do you have any
know.
other sentences you want to try out?
Like,
You're a natural.
can you tell me how many languages do you speak?
I can speak and understand a few different languages like Spanish, French, German, and Chinese, among others. But I'm definitely most comfortable in English. Are you trying to learn a new language right now?
Oh no, I'm curious about that. How many languages do you speak? And if you can speak my language, I really want to talk to you in my language.
I'd love that. Which language is yours? Tell
Urdu.
me, and I'll
Urdu.
see. I'm listening.
Urdu is my like our language in
Urdu.
Pakistan.
Urdu. I've heard it's a beautiful language. I can try my best to speak it with you, though I might be a bit rusty compared to my English. Do you
Okay.
want to try a few sentences? All
Okay.
right,
So
let's give it a shot. Go ahead and say something in Urdu, and I'll try my best to respond. I'm excited to see how it goes. I'm ready. Go for it. I'm listening.
मेरा नाम हानिया रिसाइकलिंग वाली है.
Nice to meet you, Hanya. Do you want to try saying that in Urdu so I
No,
can see if
you have to say
no?
in Urdu. I'm saying in Urdu. You have to repeat after me.
I'm ready. Go ahead and say it, and I'll do my
Okay.
best to repeat it back to you. I'm
Say
all ears.
say मेरा नाम.
I'm ready. Go ahead and say the phrase, and I know I'll repeat it after you.
Okay. So my मेरा नाम हानिया है.
Marina Maya, hi. Wait, did I get that right?
No,
I'm
मेरा
trying to say my name is.
मेरा.
My bad. I got a little.
You have to say like मेरा नाम हानिया है.
Mera naam Hanya hai. How was
Yes,
that? Did I get the
yes,
pronunciation right?
yes. You did it like you did a beautifully like with the AI. That's not a good like for you, but you did a good things. I want to like I'm saying in one in English. You have to translate in Urdu. Is that okay?
I'm totally game. Give
Okay.
me your first sentence, and I'll do my best to translate it into Urdu for you.
Okay. So my sentence is how can students use AI?
Talaba AI ko kaise istemal kar sakte hain. Did that sound right to you?
Yes, thank you so much. Like, you did a very good thing. Like, amazing. Thank you so much for like giving me answer, and I appreciate your efforts. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. I really enjoyed our session today. You've got a great way of diving into things, and I'm glad we could clear everything up and even practice some Urdu together. It was a lot of fun.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. It was so great talking.
Okay, so everyone, this was our AI session which we talked. I know, with like this is an AI where I have to ask a question and like मैंने उससे questions पूछे और उसने मुझे जवाब दिया and I got deeper and deeper on the things and she answered. I also like this is my curiosity when I sit with Maya or Sesame. I really want to like talk to her like conversational things, not like just asking question and answer, question and answer. So that's why I'm doing this. So thank you so much for joining me and watching me till the end. So Allah Hafiz for today. Bye.